Are you looking for a dynamic progress bar in Excel like this? Then this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another life-saving Excel trick. Let's start. We have students and respective marks, and we have to create the progress bar dynamically, which means when we are going to change the marks, progress bar is going to change accordingly. So select the first row in the progress bar and write equal to, write the command rept, then double quotes, then pipe symbol, double quotes, comma, then select the mark, then bracket end, enter. Apply the changes for all these rows. Then change the color to red. Now select the font to stencil. Bingo. Here we go. Now the progress bar is ready. Thank you for today. See you next time. Bye bye.